Hi guys, this is Rye and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to take a look at this Vention 20000mAh power bank. So we have here the box, the Vention logo, all the other details right there, and let's now proceed to the unboxing. As we open the box, we have here our product, and it comes with this user manual. Of course, we have that as always, and the product itself. So this is a 20000mAh power bank rated 65 watts. So as you can see there, it's premium built and it's quite handy compared to the 20000mAh power bank. So we have there two USB ports. So one USB-C for input and output and one USB type A for output. Also, it has this built-in Type-C cable, so you don't have to bring cables with you. And it can also serve like a strap or a handle. So let's try taking a look at the other aspects of this power bank. So I'm gonna try to power it on, and we have here a clear digital display. So the battery display indicator is right there, so you will be able to know how much power you have. So this has a 65 power delivery output, powerful enough to charge laptops and tablet. The USB-C port, the USB-A port, and the built-in cable. So the power button is right there, and this is the built-in USB-C cable. Before I forget, please click the subscribe button. It is also travel friendly. It has a 77 watt-hour rating, which is below the 100 watt-hour airline limit for carry-on baggage. Small, handy, useful, and bigger capacity. This is the Vention 20000mAh power bank. Thanks for being here. This is Rye. Don't forget to subscribe.